There are 5 vowels in Spanish. Each one has its own unique sound. The sound of the vowel never changes regardless of the combination of letters. These are the 5 Spanish vowels and their sounds. A, as the A and star. A. E, as the E in test. E. E, as the I and machine. E. O, as the O in obey. O. U, as the U in pull. U. A. Agua. Amor. Adiós. E. Bebé. Elefante. Estrella. I. Inteligente. Niño. Isla. O. Oso. Hombre. Ojo. U. Música. Grupo. Nube. We hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Gracias.